remove this hose first off this car from here because we don't need this hose. Okay, let me crack this hose on this. There we go. That was easy. Voila, look at that. Boom, boom, bang. So I got the other radiator sitting here. We'll go ahead and put that radiator right back in the car. Make sure your radiator's got the rubber stomps on the bottom. And slide into the bottom. It's got those two holes. Can you see it down here, Corey? See those two holes down there? See them? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Those holes down there. Make sure you fit. If you want them to fit, you can do this, and you kind of feel your operation perfectly working. That's how you put the radiator back in. Remember I was telling you guys there's a right and left on these brackets? So left side would be your driver's side, right side would be passenger side. So this would go like here, and this would go like here. Look at that. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that, guys. 210s to hold the radiator together. Now this is all going back in. You watched the video earlier. We were taking this stuff apart, showing you guys how it all goes together. And this clamp's got to come back up and clamp. Let me make sure I tighten this bottom